but it seems no one hears me. But then through the shadows I can see the dawning of light. Oh, soon this old life, with all of its trials, will be left behind. There's a new day dawning. The shadows of sin